Hey everybody, you're looking live on tape. Tonight, we do rides and or attractions here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
This is where we were sitting.
They got me a few nights ago. They made me ride, by they I mean Michelle. That's neither here nor there.
He volunteered.
Expedition Everest and possibly Flight of Passage. What say you, Michelle? You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get to it. Nothing to see here. Nothing at all. Just a giant mountain.
Impending doom.
Why'd you have to say impending doom? Impending fun? Probably not. They sound like everything's fine. Everything's fine. Posted 10 minutes. Kind of gets me a little nervous. Not sure I'm supposed to be back here. There was 2 routes. I took the wrong one. I'm getting the look that love this queue. Kind of hate this ride. It's a love-hate. It's a good time of day to ride it though, because we should get plenty of sunsets. If you've not been in the queue, it tells a tale of a misbegotten journey. Hints of pretty dang awesome. What could it be?
This it does. Because you're like going on a bank turn.
Gotta say, if you're gonna do Expedition Everest, 7 o'clock's not a bad time.
Expedition Everest.
Holy smokes, that was like 5 minutes for real.
I think we just had a last
All right, getting ready to get on Everest. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro now. I can't find my GoPro, and I'm on the ride, so I'm gonna do my best. But this will be probably the most terrible point of view of all time. Oh Jesus Christ! I gotta put it up. I'm gonna have to put it up. Nothing can go wrong now. But I am here, just so you know. Hey, good news, folks. I did find my GoPro, so we should have a better point of view for this next ride. But man, it was listed or posted 20. We got on in like 5. Now it's posted 5 and we're actually waiting longer. So I don't know, we'll see. But you will have a better point of view ride this time. Alright, so this time on Everest we're in 15, which is daggone near the back. Kind of give you an idea. Still have the partitions. But we're one train away.
All carry the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the plane. Please show question. Miembro del equipo de Expedition Everest. Tengáis a bordo que sus efectos personales en la bolsa de la silla. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren.
What you think, babe? What now? Oh, it's definitely gonna be a long ride. Hi! Try to go up here. I'll see if I can hold this. We'll see.
É verdade, eu fico até acima.
Oh!
Deu rico, papai. Papai sempre fala, meu filho.
This lift hill is
Don't throw It wasn't quite as bad that time with the hard stops.
Yeah, I think it's more due to the conductor.
No, I
Oh,
spoke too soon.
all of that fabulous food from earlier. Just kidding.
Don't eat at a buffet and then try to come here afterwards.
Wise words. Wise words. It's 5 minutes. Why not ride it? All right. So it's a 5-minute wait to ride this. I'm not going to bore you with all the video, but I said, hey, when's the next time Everest will be a 5-minute wait? So this will be our 3rd time back to back to back. Michelle already told me she's never done it like this 3 times back to back to back. I'm a little disheveled, but when's the next time you're gonna see it? Expedition Everest, 5-minute wait. Let's go. All right. So we rode Everest 3 times back to back to back because we could. It was a 5-minute wait. After the 3rd time, I am a bit disheveled. But we still came here to do Flight of Passage. That's what we're gonna do. Babe's doing bathroom things, and we'll head over there. Alright, getting ready to head into Flight of Passage. Posted 50. More like, I guess, 30. If I had to bargain. I'll do my best to film. It doesn't really do well for filming. Just because it's a 3D type deal. I'll try it. We'll see. If it sucks, it sucks.
Hi, somebody here?
All right, right into D2 for me. You're going to be the traveler number 16. Absolutely, enjoy your flight.
So we're in the pre-show. I'm not going to show you the whole
and welcome to the
pre-show.
Avatar program.
We've all seen
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage. Riding on
Should
the
be
back of a
awesome.
Banshee by the
And
engineer.
flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. The way you'll be able to fly is by
Oh, yeah. Always a
Welcome
good
back.
time when folks
Please
clap.
step off the link chair, gather your belongings,
Always a really
and
good
exit the
time
link
when
chamber.
people clap after the attraction. That thing is awesome. Super cool. Well, I think that's going to do it. We forgot to shoot an outro, so I'm shooting this from my headquarters. Thanks for joining me. Glad you did. If you like what you saw today, make sure you subscribe. And if you hated what you saw today, blame the fact that I forgot to do an outro. That being said, folks, keep the parks clean.